Welcome to Cleaning the Loop, Driving Consumer Clothing Circularity, a short series of 6 podcasts funded and produced by the Adam Smith Business School, University of Glasgow, and inspired by the contents and structure of my recent PhD thesis of the same name. Each podcast is designed to unpack the key learnings from the thesis by engaging in discussions with the research collaborators, cited scholars and participants. Podcast 1 begins by introducing the inspiration for the thesis and the research collaborators, followed by Podcast 2 examining the literature context of the PhD from academia, policy and industry reports. Podcast 3 discusses the theoretical lens, which is borrowed from anthropology, marketing and industrial design theory. This is followed by Podcast 4, which unpacks methodology applied and the complexity and privilege of working with participants in qualitative research. Podcast 5 engages some of the consumer and industry participants from the research, addressing some of the key findings. Finally, Podcast 6 finishes the series by discussing how this research contributes and brings new knowledge to the field of consumer behaviour research, concluding with recommendations and future research projects that are evolving from the research. The podcast series is designed to appeal to academic, industry and policy audiences interested in learning about and advancing consumer clothing longevity within circular economic systems. The podcast series can be downloaded as audio podcasts and videos can be viewed on the University of Glasgow website. On the website, you can also view copies of photos, infographic images and props referred to within the film series.